You say you can't meditate because you can't think of nothing. I'm going to show you how to think of nothing. Notice your hands and fingers with your mental spotlight. Don't look at them, just feel them and feel the tingling, buzzing energy that you sense when you put your mental spotlight on your hands and fingers. And notice how you can sense your blood pumping if you're very delicately concentrated for a moment in your hands and fingers. Notice how that buzzing, tingling gets stronger the longer you put your attention on that energy. You can start to notice the little rivers of energy, the tiny details. Imagine all your thoughts floating into the background and that spotlight on your hands and fingers getting stronger. With a relaxed concentration, go deeper into the energy you feel in the hands and fingers. Don't get distracted. Stay locked in and go even deeper than you expected, even deeper than you thought you could into the hands and fingers. Like you're becoming your hands and fingers with your whole mind, plunging yourself into them with a relaxed focus for another moment. And notice how you thought of nothing while you were fully locked in. It might have been a glimpse, but meditation is not even about thinking of nothing. It's just about creating more gaps, more space between you and your thoughts. So practice. If you enjoyed this, take a deep breath, relax your muscles on the way out, and sub to the mental level on YT if you want more like this.